Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Now, since this is the middle of the admission season, so I believe this is the best time possible for me to make a video like this. While a lot of you have already secured your admission in your dream college or dream university, congratulations for that. A lot of you are actually still looking for applying to your dream colleges and universities and securing admission there. Now, this is one of the tips that might actually help you, so I suggest you keep this in mind before actually securing your admission in a particular college or university. Now, this is the 21st century and we're the smart kids. So we go through the college's website, we do a proper research, in-depth research and analysis. We go through the college's website, we go through the numbers, and a lot of you wonder, why is this university or college really infamous in the corporate sector? Or why is this so infamous amongst the students and the masses? The numbers are pretty good. The average package of the placement is also pretty good. The placement number and the percentage of people that get placed is also pretty amazing and impressive. So why is it the college is quite infamous? And a lot of you don't ponder much upon that question. You want to see that they're charging a hefty amount of fee, and it might be justified subconsciously in your head because of the kind of facilities and amenities they might provide. But the truth is that most of those numbers are actually gimmicky. Yes, they are a gimmick. So it's very important for you to do your in-depth research and analysis instead of just going through numbers on the website. You should actually talk to people who have actually graduated from the college and ask them how much the college or the degree has actually contributed to where they are today. Now, I fundamentally believe that a degree is not essential for you to become successful in life, absolutely. But if you're, choosing to spend that amount of money on a degree, and it's not just about money, because you are gonna earn the money back. It's more about the time that you're never gonna get back. So if you're choosing to properly invest those 3 to 4 years of your life on a particular degree, it better be worth your time and it better teach you some skills, and it better live up to the promises and expectations that it actually makes initially when you seek the admission there. So it's very important that you do that. LinkedIn is one of the best places that you can connect with people there. You can also use different platforms. You can talk to a few admission counselors to see what the rank of the university or the college is, if the claims are true or if they are a gimmick. And yeah, I hope this tip helps you, and all the best in your journey of getting your admission in a college or a university. I hope you do amazing, and yeah, stay hydrated.